Good evening and welcome to this evening's Equity Market Trap. My name is Lisa Pallavi Barbora. The markets extended losses after yesterday's correction and both benchmark indices corrected sharply today and opened with a gap down. These days it seems that any fall or an up move is not complete unless it is with a very sharp move. The Sensex finally finished at 19,177 and the Nifty closed at 5770, both down around 1.5%. If you look at broader markets, it was the rate sensitives and high beta names which dragged markets lower. The BSE Realty Index was the biggest loser, down around 4.8%, and the metals index corrected around 3.8%. FMCG stocks and healthcare stocks actually withstood the decline, and both those indices were up around 0.25%. Lupin, in fact, scaled a new lifetime high after gaining 3.7% today, despite the sharp fall in markets. Metal companies are correcting as Chinese economic slowdown concerns are gaining steam. So among those stocks, the biggest losers were JSW Steel, which was down around 5%, and also Tata Steel and Sterlite corrected around 4.5%. Oil marketing companies, PSU, oil and gas companies, both corrected today as crude has been rising, increasing. Brent crude increased around 4% in the last 10 trading sessions or so. So there, BPCL and HPCL both corrected around 4%, and Indian Oil was also down around 4.5%. ONGC too fell around 3.5% as its overseas subsidiary OVL failed in a bid to acquire stake in a Kazakhstan oil field. Other than that, a segment which was completely out of whack today was the PSU banking segment, as analysts have turned bearish there. Among some of the big losers, Bank of Baroda, Union Bank, both were down between 7 and 8%. Also, Bank of India corrected slightly more than 6%, and PNB was also down around slightly more than 5%. It is a trader's market where some stocks go up for 2-3 days and then fall sharply, and the reverse happens to laggards. This can be seen clearly in Sensex stocks as well. Jindal Steel was one of the two gainers today, up around 1%, as it has been falling in the recent past. The other gainer was Sun Pharma, up 1.2%, and those were the only two gainers in Sensex. On the declining side, there were a handful of stocks which actually fell anywhere between 4 and 5%, and they were at the bottom, and these include names like Tata Power, where Moody's has put a downgrade on ratings outlook to negative. Also SBI, Tata Steel and Sterlite all are in that range of declining 4 to 5%. That's all from me. Do log on to livemint.com for more details. Thank you.